Today we're gonna discuss about materials used for LAN cabling, about router and RJ45 connector. What is router? A router is a networking device that connects multiple networks, like your home network in the internet together, directing traffic between them to allow devices to communicate. It acts as an intelligent traffic cop, directing data packets to their proper destination. Routers establish local Wi-Fi networks and are essential for sharing a single internet connection across laptops, phones, and smart devices. Main types of router. Wired routers utilize Ethernet cables to directly connect to computers and modems, offering high stability and security for wired local area networks or LANs. Wireless routers create wireless local area networks or WLANs for home and office Wi-Fi, often including antennas for transmitting radio signals. Core routers, positioned at the backbone of a network. These manage high-speed data transmission within large organizations or ISPs, typically supporting very high bandwidth and multiple network protocols.
What is RJ45 register jack connector? An RJ45 register jack connector is a standardized 8-position, 8-contact or 8P8C physical interface primarily used for terminating twisted pair cables in Internet networking. It connects devices like computer, routers, switches, and modems to local area network or LAN supporting high-speed data transmission. Each connector uses 8 wires to establish a network connection. Wiring standards. The T568A, one of the 2 color coding standards for wiring 8-conductor cables commonly used in some residential, commercial, and federal projects. And the T568B, the current most common standard for structured cabling in commercial and residential installation, providing the same electrical functionality as T568A. Straight-through cable use the same wiring standard, either T568A or T568B, on both ends, used for connecting different types of devices. Types of RJ45 connector. Standard RJ45 or 8P8C, the most common unshielded connector used for general home and office Ethernet patch cables. Shielded RJ45 feature a metal housing to reduce electromagnetic interference, commonly used in industrial setting or data centers with high cable density to protect data integrity. Pass-through RJ45 allows wire to pass through completely the connector, making it easier to verify the correct wiring order before crimping and clipping the excess wire. And that's all. Thank you for watching.